Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how we can use a number line to find the sum of two integers. Alright, so we're going to do two examples in this video. Number one, we're going to find 7 plus negative 7. Alright, so we have our number line here. I've got it labeled from -1 to 9. There's arrows on the end, so obviously that means that number line continues on in both directions. So I'm going to start at 0, and when I have a positive 7, we're going to move down the right side of the number line to when we get to the 7. So if I'm at 0 here, and I'm going to go all the way over here to 7, and we'll draw an arrow right there. Okay, so now there's us adding 7, right? Or we have 7. Now when I have a negative 7, that needs to take me back into the other direction, or back in the left direction from wherever I stopped. So I was at 7 here, so now I am right here again, and now I'm going to go back 7 units. Well, back 7 units would get me back to 0, right? So if I had a positive 7 and a negative 7, notice where I ended up. So the answer to 7 plus negative 7 would be 0. All right, let's look at another one where we have two negative numbers here. So we're going to find -2 plus -4. Well, both of those are negative, so we should be moving in the left direction both times. So we're going to start here at 0, okay? And we're going to go left 2 units here on the number line, which would get us to -2, so that's -2. All right, and now we want to add -4, which is going to move us now 4 units down the number line to the left. So we're going to start here at -2, and now we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 units, and that would end us at -6. Okay, so this would be a -4. So notice we started at 0, but where did we end up? We ended up at -6. So that tells me that -2 plus -4 is equal to -6. And those are just a couple examples of how we can use a number line to find sums.